Today we will talk about the Eternum Detox Acai Berry. We Products Reviews prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying Eternum Detox Acai Berry. I also have some really important warnings which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention to not make mistakes when using or purchasing Eternum Detox Acai Berry. The first thing you need to know about Eternum Detox Acai Berry is, be careful with the site you will buy, because Eternum Detox Acai Berry is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description and comment attached to this video. So what is Eternum Detox Acai Berry, and it really works? And the answer is yes, Eternum Detox Acai Berry works, and after many laboratory tests, the researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will finally get you off your problem. You who have been tired and indisposed, feel hungry and anxious with your body is swollen and heavy, you who have a high degree of obesity, you have a slow metabolism, not looking for a remedy but a supplement without side effects to help you. With Eternum Detox Acai Berry you will have health benefits, helping in the regulation of the intestine, promoting satiety, controlling appetite, detoxifying the body and consequently enhancing the results in the search for a healthy and lean body. It has a weight loss effect, helping to burn fat, detoxifying the body, reducing swelling, improving mood and making you lose weight quickly and definitively, with ingredients like acai berry, psyllium, ginger root, chlorella and papaya. Combined in Eternum Detox you will no longer need to feel shame of your body, not to mention that Eternum Detox follows the highest standards of selection, production and quality and is FDA compliant. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Eternum Detox Acai Berry. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you're realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Eternum Detox Acai Berry for 60 days, and if you do not see results or if you do not like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So be sure to use the Eternum Detox Acai Berry. But make sure you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Eternum Detox Acai Berry to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, 2 times a day, or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results in the 3rd month of use. Also important for you to know, Eternum Detox Acai Berry has no side effects as it is natural. So I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the site that you will buy Eternum Detox Acai Berry, and also if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and also hope that Eternum Detox Acai Berry really helps a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.